Welcome po dito sa ating channel ang Biyahe y Komida. June 1, 2026. Janice de Belen pinagsabihan si Ina sa isyo kay Rosemar. Napagsabihan pala ni Janice de Belen ang kanyang anak na si Ina Estrada dahil sa nangyaring bardagulan sa social media nila ng vlogger at negosyanteng si Rosemar Tan. Ito ay inamin mismo ni Janice sa naging panayam niya sa programang Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Tinanong ni Kuya Boy kung ano ang reaksyon niya at kung humingi ng payo ang anak sa nangyari sa kanila ng vlogger. I cannot make involved, I'm a mom. I called her, I immediately told her what was wrong tapos quiet na ako, basta nasabi ko na, at quiet na ako kasi I have to leave you to think about it. Ikaw na yan and when we saw each other after ko siya sinabihan I never said anything, I did not talk to her about the issue, nothing. Kwento ng batikang aktres. Patuloy niya, and when it's over recently lang, sabi ko sa kanya, Pusi, tapos na, pwede ba, please? Ingat din, o diba, hindi na ako nagbibigay ng mahabang sermon maikli na lang, natawa. Sa kasalukuyan ay humiwalay na ng tirahan ang tatlong anak na babae ni Janice na sina Ina, Moira, at Kayla at tanging kasama niya sa bahay ay ang bunsong anak na lalaki na si Yuan at tatay niya at aminado ang aktres na may times na nalulungkot siya. Yuan he works at night, so, sa araw tulog siya, so, nakikita ko lang siya very briefly right before he goes to work, minsan nakakasabay kong mag-lunch and on weekends kasi off siya at saka si dad, tatay ng aktres, chika ni Janice. I understand that they have their lives of their own and I don't want to burden them with a feeling na, nako kailangang mag-lunch sa bahay. Ayokong isipin pa nila yon. When they're free, when they're okay kayo ang magsabi sa akin tsaka may pride ako, seryosong kwento ni Janice. Samantala, si Moira ay ikakasal na raw sa taong 2027.
When one of your kids gets involved in a controversy, katulad ni Ina, itong ki Ina at saka, the internet star,
Yes.
Rosemar, got into a controversy. Do they go to you? Did you get involved? I mean, do you give them advice?
I cannot not get involved. I'm a mom, I called her. I immediately told her what was wrong. Tapos, quiet na ako.
Okay.
Quiet na ako. Basta nasabi ko na, quiet na ako. Kasi I have to leave you to think about it eh. Ikaw na yan. I told you what was wrong. Ikaw na yan.
Okay.
Ikaw na yan.
I get it. Ngayon
And when we saw each other, after that, after ko siyang sinabihan, I never said anything. Did not talk to her about the issue. Nothing.
Nasabi mo.
Nothing. And when it was over, recently lang, sabi ko sa kanya, since tapos na, pwede ba? Please. Ingat din.
Okay. Tama naman.
Diba?
Oo.
Hindi na ako yung nagbibigay ng mahabang sermon.
Tama.
Maikli na lang.
At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Please like and share ang video at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. I-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.